Hello guys, in this video we will be looking at the issue. So we have installed WooCommerce plugin with the school management plugin. So when we tries to log in with the school management staff user account, instead of staff user dashboard, we see the WooCommerce account dashboard. So how can we fix this issue without breaking anything with WooCommerce plugin? So first, let's check the staff user permissions. We have almost all permissions to this user. Here I have installed public press capabilities plugin. As you can see, you can use any plugin that provides the user role permissions. I'm using public press. So we have given subscriber role, view dashboard permission and saved. Now log out from here, and for school staff user, we have to log in from Wordpress Admin URL. So let's do that. Type the staff user name and password. As you can see, all tabs menus are here according to this user permissions which we have provided to this user. So let's log out from here and let's log in from WooCommerce account. We can use the same username and password. As you can see, we are in the WooCommerce dashboard and it works perfectly fine.